got the camera guy sanding cars. We're working on this 1982 Toyota truck, 4-wheel drive. We're doing a paint job on this baby. And we've already started sanding, taking off everything that doesn't need to be there. And there's a few things we got to straighten out. Got this little bumper support. It's got to be straightened. Core support was pretty banged up and everything, but we got that all straightened out. And we're going to build a couple of custom bumpers for it, along with bed liner in the rear, bed liner in the bumpers, the grille, headlight bezels, and we're painting this baby a new Toyota gray.
Gonna do a little self-etching primer on this panel here, just to protect it while we're doing body work on it. On account of we're doing most of this stuff outside here right now.
Got the tailgate all sanded down. Now we're doing some etching primer. Now we move on to more body work. Got Jason here doing some filler, continuing the work on the 82 beast of a Toyota. Hitting the tailgate with a sandblaster, getting those little nooks and crannies.
If you don't have a profile gauge, I recommend picking one up. I'm running it right along the panel to make sure everything's in the same shape. This spot right here, we're going to heat shrink. I'm going to heat the metal until there's a hot spot the size of a dime. Then, using a hammer, work the hot spot, shaping the metal inward. By rapid cooling, the steel is shocked into place, creating rigidity once again. Overall, this shrinks the sheet metal where it's been stretched and misshapen. Repeat this process as necessary until you get the best results. Pick hammers sure come in handy in those hard to reach places. If it wasn't for this stud gun, this door would probably be going to the dump. Most people would have thrown this door in the garbage, but not us. This is what we do. deer love this truck too. One of them got too close of a look, and now we are straightening the radiator core support.
Oh, getting pretty close.
We'll move the bed outside so we could sand on this baby. And here's the new guy doing the body work. He said he learned from Charlie Hutton, so we'll see. The good news is the new guy's fast. Bad news, I called Charlie Hutton, checked his references, he said he'd never heard of him.
Yep. It's true.
Yes, sir. And as you can see, he's using a round block here for
Got my mask.
curvature purposes. Now that he's realizing he's being filmed, he's getting safe.
Yeah.
He did safety third, but now he's doing safety first.
This might look like a lot of body filler, however, most of it will be sanded off, only leaving a thin layer to fill imperfections. And just 120 years later, we're finally laying primer. We apply dry guide coat over the primer. All the primer gets wet sanded, while sanding off all the guide coat, and checking for imperfections. Now we can apply sealer over the primer. Nice! The color of this paint is Toyota Cement Gray. Here comes the clear coat. After clear, the truck gets wet sanded again and we work our way up to 2500 grit. Using cardboard aided design, we mock up custom bumpers and transfer the patterns onto steel.
.11 gauge, so it's like 8-inch steel.
We got the rims powder coated, the bed all lined. Jason's working on a custom back bumper.
I mean, that's kind of the off-road bumper thing, you know what I mean?
I was gonna say, you can only go back so far before you hit the bracket.
This will butt right up against it, 1.5 inches back. Same thing, but 1.5 back further.
So that's what the mock bumper looks like for the front.